A temporary deployment point used by Ukrainian forces has reportedly come under a coordinated Russian strike. According to the Russian claim, the position was first detected by reconnaissance drones. Its coordinates were then passed to artillery units. Moments later, the target came under sustained fire. The operation did not end there. Russian aircraft reportedly followed with a FAB-500 guided bomb. Finally, multiple launch rocket systems struck the surrounding area. If the sequence is accurate, it reflects an increasingly integrated battlefield approach, where drones, artillery, air power, and rocket forces operate as a single strike network. Modern warfare is no longer defined by firepower alone. Finding the target has become just as important as destroying it. In this reported operation, drones were used to locate the position. Artillery was employed to suppress the objective. The FAB-500 was then used against the main structure. Rocket artillery reportedly targeted the surrounding area, potentially limiting movement or reinforcement. However, it is important to note that there is currently no independent verification confirming the exact location, timing, or extent of the damage described in the claim. If confirmed, this operation would illustrate how modern battlefield tactics increasingly rely on close coordination between reconnaissance drones, artillery, aviation, and rocket forces. At the same time, every claim emerging from an active conflict should be examined carefully until independently verified. What do you think? Could this kind of multi-layer strike become the standard model for future military operations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy in-depth military analysis based on open-source information, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next analysis. Disclaimer: this video is intended for informational and analytical purposes only. It is based on publicly available material and statements from parties involved in the conflict. Some claims discussed have not been independently verified and should not be interpreted as established facts or as support for any side in the conflict.